Today, I will talk to you about how to solve the installation solution of our CarPlay Android Auto. Only a handful of solutions currently available in the market. For instance, similar to this. This is our host in disguise. So this is there is another type like our car machine. This modified car machine. There is also the possibility that we are like this. We install the auto module for CarPlay. These are all solutions we have solved. Which plan is better? Today we want to focus on talking to everyone. To begin with, if you would like to install it with ease, then you can. Our module is affordable. Installation is easy. We provide two module options for customers to choose from. One is smooth, but one is like ours, a matte one. Both options are available for you to choose from. This solution is better. It's relatively cheap. Everyone may a few tens of dollars. It could be possible to do. The basis is that your car machine itself, if it has CarPlay or installed Auto, after you use this device to add, it can transform this CarPlay and install Auto into a wireless version. But you need to have CarPlay installed with Auto as a prerequisite. What about the others? If I say my own car machine, I'm not a big screen machine from the factory. We don't bring CarPlay to install Auto, then use this module. Unable to solve. This can't be resolved. Then consider another solution. May need to change car stereo, or need to change this kind of transformation machine. This type of aftermarket, this type of plug-in, which one is better? Just compare these two. What's the good solution? What's this about? Just this car machine. It takes up a relatively small area. And it doesn't need much modification. It's your original car. What did it originally look like? Just add this car machine on top of it. We use this car machine. Through this, our cigarette lighter interface becomes a power source, and then it can be connected to our speakers through FM. Or our AUX can be connected to the speaker. What occurs subsequently? You have the ability to install our sound system on the vehicle. Use CarPlay from here or install Auto. Installation is simple, likely finished in about 10 minutes. And no matter what kind of car machine you have, you can use this device. So it is more convenient. Indeed, what are the negative aspects? It requires us to remain in the same position inside this vehicle. There is 3M adhesive underneath. What occurs after this thing is connected? The outcome should still be adhesive in any case. Furthermore, you may need to lay down an extra line. This side requires connection to our power cord. And what about the other one? Walk from behind, then behind our car. Go connect ACC. It's a solution and it's possible. This way line can be hidden, but this must be feeling of later installation. This will have more stuff. So this is its disadvantage. In addition, there is another one. If the sound itself is played with FM, sound won't be good. But if you use AUX, can you convert it directly? That's okay, but you need an AUX interface on your car. The price is generally quite good. Just over $100 will do the version we provide. Except for CarPlay and Android Auto, what else? We can also provide AirPlay in another version. And our version itself, yes, AirPlay is available. With this DVR, it's our rear view camera. Then, because we didn't open it, just at that time, it's actually behind. We can also see our rear view at the same time. It's open. The one behind, what does this look like? Can monitor this device. Still more cost effective in terms of cost performance. Installation is easy. Do it for 100 plus. What about the other type? If you have a bigger budget, you can also replace the car stereo. To change car stereo, there are various types, including cheap and expensive ones. Usually, in the current version of these machines, it has wireless CarPlay, Android Auto equipped. So if you select this as for this automobile machine, then you can utilize this solution. It is extremely good. But the difference is the first one. The cost of this thing may be higher than that, because otherwise, dismantle, assemble old one you no longer want, replace with new, change to larger screen if necessary, or let your whole car like this user experience then improve a lot. But overall, budget may need to be higher. So currently just 3 kinds. I think this plan can actually work. To see which one suits you and how much your budget is. Decide which one you use.